Hi everyone. This video is about the red dragon. I'm going to start by giving you some information about it, and I'll finish with a meditation to connect with the red dragon. So, dragons are mythical creatures in many cultures and are usually linked to protection. In Chinese culture, the red dragon represents prosperity, and in Celtic traditions, dragons are usually protectors, and often ley lines were referred to as dragon paths. So in the picture on the left here, I've got the red dragon at Cardiff Castle. This is the Welsh symbol red dragon, and this is the Uffington horse in England. And there is some discussion about whether it is actually a dragon linked in with the St. George and the Dragon myth rather than a horse, because there is a hill next to this which is called Dragon Hill. So, dragons are not just characters in old stories. Their energy can be called on and connected with by us anytime. And different coloured dragons have different frequencies and qualities. So this year, 2025, the red dragon is prominent, but all coloured dragons can be connected with at any time. So what is the red dragon's energy and why is it important now? I put 3 words here which represent different aspects of the red dragon. So first of all, we've got inner strength, and ideas linked with this are resilience, courage, being a survivor, having unwavering resolution, facing setbacks and adversity bravely, trusting your instincts, having determination. It represents your inner force and conquering fears and overcoming challenges. The second idea linked with the red dragon is power. So ideas linked to this are fearlessness, luck, and transformation, growth, and new beginnings, and the wisdom that comes with overcoming these challenges. The third theme linked with the red dragon is passion. So this is about having a mindset for success, being driven in what you do by passion, which just becomes an unstoppable kind of force towards your goals. It represents finding your passion or reclaiming your passion and power. It represents fiery enthusiasm, energy, primal force, and breathing fire energy into whatever you do. So you can call on the red dragon whenever you want to strengthen these qualities. And some people are in this red dragon energy now. They've had a goal, they've gone for it, they've achieved it, they're having success. Others are still waiting for this energy to come in. And that's okay, because our goals just don't happen immediately when we want them. Circumstances have to be right. And there's usually internal transformation happening that you can't see, but you can feel that, and it's a process that needs to complete before, you move on and achieve all these goals. So, if you're feeling frustrated and just tired and like you're not reaching your goals, and, you have questions like, when will it happen? When will it be my time? How will I know? When do I push ahead with that dragon energy? And when do I wait? Well, the answer is that, you've been going through a lot. Inner change and transformation is happening, and you will know and things will happen. When you are ready, the next steps will appear easily. If you push too soon and it's not happening naturally, it can prematurely stop your transformation process, and you won't go through all those aspects of inner growth that you take into the next stage. So I'm going to move on now to a meditation to help connect with the red dragon energy. So if you'd like to take part in this, be in a quiet place now where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down in a comfortable position and close your eyes if you wish. Feel your contact points with the ground and allow yourself to drop into relaxation. Release anything you're holding in your body and release anything you are holding in your mind. Just let it go. Now bring your attention to your breath, breathing in and out naturally. Allow your breath to become deep and slow. Slow, rhythmic, natural breath. Now bring your attention to your mind and notice any thoughts that arise. Then let them go, clearing the mind thought by thought. Now that you're in a calm state, we can invite in the energy of the red dragon. Welcome the red dragon into the space you're in now. Begin to feel a sense of the dragon's presence, perhaps in front of you or beside you. Welcome in the red dragon energy with a sense of gratitude, warmth, and trust. Feel the presence of the red dragon. It may be warm or cool. Sense in your aura the energy of the red dragon. And as you sit in the presence of the red dragon, be open to receive any messages from the dragon today. Feel or think any question you may have, or just be open to any messages or feelings that you sense or receive from the dragon in this space. Hear and feel the guidance from the red dragon now. The red dragon brings courage, inner strength, determination, resolution, and transformation. It reminds you to trust your instincts, face challenges bravely and positively, knowing that they bring huge growth. The red dragon helps you find wisdom. The red dragon reignites your passion, energy, and enthusiasm. This primal force of fire energy within you ignites you to blaze ahead and reclaim your power. Take a few moments to feel this energy in every cell of your body, mind, and soul. Absorb the positive force of this energy. Feel now how you will carry this red dragon energy with you as you move ahead. And again, become aware of the red dragon's presence beside you. Feel its radiance, positivity, and protective force, only working for your highest good. Thank the red dragon for being here with you today, and notice the dragon retreat while still holding the energy it has brought you today. Know that you can call on the red dragon anytime. We will now return, coming back with the insights, messages, and energy you have received today. Notice your breath, the movement of air in your lungs. Be aware of the sounds around you. Feel the weight of your body and its position on the floor, and begin to make small movements, waking up the body. And when you are ready, sit up. And when you are ready, open your eyes.